The bill as amended is much different than when the governor and state house leaders introduced it in late January. Even the harshest critics concede the product is much better.
All of our goals, which is to get services and to prevent further crime and to rehabilitate.
With the sense of mission nearly accomplished, the Senate Judicial Proceedings Committee voted 9-2 in favor of advancing the Juvenile Law Reform Act.
I think it's a much better product than what we started with. I also still question the very necessity for the bill.
Juvenile law reform measures, as amended, intends to strike a balance between rehabilitation and youth accountability.
I'm very pleased with where we're headed on this bill.
Proposed changes include broadening the juvenile court's jurisdiction to include 10 to 12-year-olds. The Senate committee voted to trim the list of offenses. Their version will only include firearm and sex offenses. The bill extends the length of probation for children and allows the court to reset it if a juvenile fails to appear at a treatment program without good cause twice. The committee opted to continue discussion on a paper trail from arrest to what happens at the juvenile intake center. There is concern it puts too much of a burden on police. Community leaders oppose large parts of the bill, saying not enough is being done to help young people stay out of trouble.
We want to keep them out of the system as much as possible and create the space as much as possible for diversion on the front end.
The committee chairman agreed to accept more amendments when the bill gets to the Senate floor. Meanwhile, Senate President Bill Ferguson says he expects the legislation will pass.
Working very, very closely together between the chambers, and I think we are in a very close place to get to near passage by the end of session.
The House is expected to begin debate on the bill Wednesday. Delegates will be offering more amendments. Reporting from Annapolis, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.